You do right there? That birdie?
He's gonna do build the nest and he's gonna protect his egg.
And what is the husband doing? The birdie's husband?
We're gonna wait and I'm gonna get some sticks.
Sticks to build what?
The nest.
That's
What
right.
are you doing, guys?
Oh, we are, Nangi's showing Archie what the birdie is doing and how they are protecting their nest.
Oh.
And who brings the food for the mama birdie?
So stupid.
The daddy birdie, right?
Daddy.
Daddy goes shopping and brings food. What are the foods that the birdies eat?
Worms. That's disgusting.
Worms and what else? Little insects, right?
Yeah, sometimes they eat those.
Mm-hmm.
Also, the mom is sitting in the nest right now.
What is she doing?
Oh, we don't know if they're laying the eggs, but she's just sitting on her nest.
She's sitting on a nest because maybe don't do that with your mouth. She's either protecting her eggs that she's already laid, or she's waiting because she's has babies in her bandi, and she's waiting to lay them.
Because some birds have babies in the bundies, and some birds lay the eggs.
Yeah. But I think birds lay the egg and the egg hatches and then the
Yeah, but a
baby
lot of birds lay the eggs. Most.
yeah.
Yeah, but some birds they kind of have the birds in the tummy.
The what?
Some birds have the birds in the tummy, but a lot of birds lay the eggs.
Okay, like mommy had you in the bandi?
Huh? Yeah.
Did mommy have you in the bandi or did mommy lay an egg?
We had you in the bandi.
Did you come out of an egg or did you come out of mommy's bandi?
Come out of your bandi.
Mm-hmm. Say bye to Archie. Say we're going to the pool right now. Say bye, see ya.
We're going to the pool.
Say bye to see ya.
Bye, see ya. We'll see you.
Say we're going to the pool.
We're going to the pool.
Okay.